It's a new bike day, guys. They're here. It's anniversary day, actually. We've got a lot of 115th anniversary paint coming out of that truck right there, right now. So, for those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley-Davidson. It's over there somewhere. Yeah, anyway. Anniversary day will commence as soon as I get inside and start working on all these bikes. Still haven't found my sunglasses either. Let's get inside where the sun's not so bright. Alright, it's actually the next day. I missed out on some of the PDIs because I got all jammed up with other stuff. But 3 really cool things have happened since yesterday. 1, I got this sweet new jacket. 2, I found my sunglasses. And 3, I have the sweetest Breakout on my bench ready to PDI. So let's cue some music and get going. Some of the tags they put on these things are outrageous. Who wants all this crap hanging off their bike? Brand new. That was like legit taped onto the headlight harness. But whatever. Now that all that's done, we can listen to it, we'll go ride it, and we'll get a closer look at it.
So all the Softails are keyless, which is cool. This one has a Stellar Speedo in it, which is awesome. And the 114 motor is the Ish, in case you guys didn't already know. Unfortunately, it's super cold, so these tires are a bit chilly. For me, these handlebars are a little low. I mean, that's not going to be for everybody. So some people that might be fine, but for me, it's a little bit weird, to the point that I don't even know if my hands are in frame or not. Whoa, got some serious sand in the road up here. I guess Antonio might have been concerned that I couldn't see it. I don't know how I wouldn't be able to though. No cruise on this model, which would be nice, so I could adjust my right mirror, since I never seem to remember to do that before I ride off on them. It's a good running bike though. Turning a 240 tire is quite weird. It's hard to deal with the big fat rear tire like this one just wants to flop over on you. It actually feels pretty good this go around though. You just can't really lean into your turn quite as much as you can a shorter, a skinnier tire.
Now that is not a factory 2000 GT.
No, I'd say probably not.
Huh?
I'd say probably not.
Cash only.
Huh?
What?
Well, that's a problem. Looks like we're gonna have to ride some more. Let's go. Obviously, we pay with shop credit card for fuel, and this seems to happen a lot, actually. You know, we always have trouble actually filling up the bikes, so we got a number of options to go to. Which one you want to go to? Is that Shell station right back up there? Is it still all gravel in the parking lot?
I think there's some gravel.
Yeah, I don't want to drive over that. You want to go Fortson Road left on Williams and go to those other gas stations?
Sure.
Alright. Well, guys, we're going to take a little bit longer of a test ride today. As much crap as I talk about the wide rear tires and their turning abilities, busting a little U-ey in that gas station wasn't that bad. Maybe this newer frame feels a little better than the older Breakout. And they used to be horrible though. So we'll see. Get a little more ride time on this one this time. Breakouts aren't really a bike that get a lot of high mileage on them for the most part. Yeah, I don't think I've done greater than a 5K on one before. So they're just not really that kind of bike. You know, most guys, this is a bar hopper, not really a way down the highway type bike, which this new Milwaukee 8 engine, 114 cubic inches, makes for really fun zipping through, you know, red light to red light is awesome. So, well, I mean, I would expect it to be awesome. I, of course, always ride responsibly on other people's motorcycles, but I would expect it to be really fun. More fun when you're not stuck behind slow-moving cars. So let's fix this. All right, we're back. Let's see what this thing will do. Now, granted, this is still in break-in period, so can't actually run it hard, but you can still enjoy the little ride here. Well, sometimes. I always wanted to be one of the guys that's like on the closed course professional rider, you know, but the course is open and I'm an unprofessional, so it is what it is. This thing's got some get up and go though. I don't even have to run it to red line or get it out of the break-in period, you know, the over a few thousand RPM. I mean, it just wants to go. New Speedo's awesome. And my gear indicator there. See, I'm running higher gear, and for a speed that I would normally run, so I don't want anybody mad at me. Whoa, guy, that's not right. That's not how you do that. Alright guys, that's the Breakout test ride. I'll see you all in a second for some close-ups of the bike, and that'll do it.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the test ride in this video. I'm glad to finally be able to do that aspect of the PDI with y'all. For the record, I like this Breakout a lot more than previous years. It's a lot lighter. The 3.5 gallon tank, I know it's catching a lot of flack because everybody wants more fuel, but this is badass. That's all there is to it. Runs great, the paint is sweet. So thank you for watching. Give it a big old dirty thumbs up if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed already, but you want to see more, hit the subscribe button below. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, all that good stuff. We'll get some close-ups. Yeah, let's take a look at this bike. See y'all next week.